Heh, bandem persulamentra. Ika ram kondi dalla. Huh?
So, hello friends, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks YouTube channel. So today I will show you that how to install Facefusion in Android and how to use it properly. Okay, for face swap tool for videos or images. Okay, so before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest tricks. So without time waste, let's start the video. First of all, when you go in any browser like Chrome browser or anything, you have to click plus icon, then you have to use go three line in incognito tab. So after that you have to use for unlimited face fusion usage. If you use without, you may face problem. So I cannot show you in incognito tab because the record may be holded. Okay, that's why I will show in my own browser. So first of all, you have to type here mimic. With whatever I will do, you have to just follow me. Okay, simple. See, mimic PC. You have to paste like this in incognito tab. So look, it's came here. So what you have to type again, MimicPC face fusion. Now finished. Now as you can see here, MimicPC face fusion came. Now simply click here. Okay. So whenever click here, this feature will come. Okay. So now what you have to type, I already subscribe means I already created one account. Simply click free lunch. Okay, after clicking the free lunch, it load like this. So look, as you can see here, I have less balance. I created one account. Let me log in it, and after in last, don't skip this video or you may face problem. Simple log out and let me sign in first. So look, let me sign first. Now I will save it for future usage. So look, there in the option will come like this, Facefusion 2.5. This I already used. Like this it will come. Okay, or if you use free use, you can use directly. Okay, so now I have to click here quick start. Now this could take a time little bit. Okay, let me show you fast again. So look, when you hear, no, don't skip anything because it will take 30 seconds to 2 minutes. More than that it will not take a time. And make sure your internet connection should be good. Okay, so let me skip for further use. So look, as you can see here, it's starting. This sound will come. Okay, when you listen this sound, this will come. Okay, so if you want GPU acceleration, simple use this, because other upper version in video face swap, it will not work properly good. Okay, I'm true YouTuber. I don't scam any in this AI. Okay, I'm very genuine YouTuber. If you say bad words, you may face problem. Listen. Now when you open this version, you will see one option is there. Sorry, face enhancer. Just click on it. So as you can see, face swapper, face enhancer. You can do expression restorer if you do acting, or you can just simple face swapper or face enhancer. Like me, like I copy one actor celebrity called Ram Charan. He's the greatest actor of India. You can if you don't know him, simple search the movie called RRR on Netflix or on website. The one who was the police officer of the movie called RRR. He's the greatest actor. Okay, Ramcharan. So let's start the video. So let me show you now what you have to do here properly. Don't do many other things. Simple, you can see the source. Simple click the source for image and target the image what you want to do. Let me select it what I'm doing. So look, image successfully created. Now I have to type and I have to do the target video. What video I will use? Let me select the video. Okay. So look, I uploaded one image here. Okay. So it could take a time little bit. So look, as you can see here, it's uploading very fastly. So I'm again and again showing you, it may long video. If you skip this video, you may get error. Okay, don't skip any part of the video. So look, as you can see here, the face, and for before starting, simple see the face, is it okay or not. Look, so if you want to work the face properly, simple what see here, box occlusion region, simple click the region and of the block box for realistic. So look, as you can see here, it's showing more realistic graphics of AI. Okay, now you will see many things are there. You can change your mount region what you want to do, but I will prefer don't change anything for regions. Okay, if you use anything, then in image you can change, but video don't do anything. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to do start, simple start this method. So look, terminal will appear automatically. Facefusion core process step 1 by 1 of 1. So as if you use CUDA, listen again. If you use CUDA, it will work as fast as possible. If you use CPU, it may more slower than you want. This is the best fastest tool of Facefusion, face swap. So let me skip this installation first. So look, it's started working properly. Look, the GPU, if you use GPU, it will work like this, processing 25, 26, 27, 28, like this it will work. Okay, I'm just showing. Now let me fast forward the video. That. So look, it successfully processed to video succeeds. So look, as you can see here, output video succeeded. Now I have to, for download, I can see the top corner. Simple click here and it will start a download. For down, you can see how much speed it's downloading. So look, it's downloaded. Okay, simple do it. Now it's finished. For image, if you want, like if you want to use another, then simple clear it and in this target video you can use image. Okay, and how you will use unlimited, there is one trick. Search So let me stop this, simple stop, because there you will get 30 minutes per usage, okay, per credits. So let's see, look, it's already finished. Now if you start again, it's different. For that you have to type here MimicPC, and you have to use like this temp mail, okay, temp mail. Then after temp mail you need sign up, okay. After sign up, just save the to notes the temp mail and the password, okay. And when you will use, just log in it, okay. In this way you can use unlimited, or I will create a separate video, okay. So the final video result I showed you in the first, okay. That is the final result video. I already downloaded. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest tech tricks things, okay. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.
Subscribe.